I know you want to get up here, boy. Come on, Blue. His name is Blue. Yep, he's the new addition to the family. Same with my baby Bella. See, there's Bella right there. And there's his little brother Blue. And there is Delilah. What, baby? I'm making a YouTube video of our puppy. No, don't chew that, Blue. He's so little. His mom is a red nose, and his dad's the blue nose, but you can't even tell by looking at him. He's just so pretty. He's little. My hand is like the size of him, like my hand, like, yeah, like his paws are gonna get big. And there's Lila. For some reason, these girls, just for the first few days, they're not having they are having a hard time to get along with him. They start growling at him, and they start being mean to him, and I don't like that, because that's their little brother. He's so pretty though. Oh, Blue. Oh, Blue. Oh, Blue. Blue, hey, Blue. Hey, Blue. And then there's baby Belle. Hey, Belle, say hey, Belle. And then where's Lila? Where's Lila? Hey, Lila. Hey, Laura. Hey, baby, come here, baby. Why are you over here? Because you want... Blue. Shh. Don't start. I'm just over here touching your sister. Blue. Yeah, he barks. He's only 2 months old. Put that tail down, Belle. Why you get mad? What's he telling you? What's he saying? Talk to me, Blue. Well, what happened? I'm not going nowhere, buddy. I'm right here. I'm right here. With Mom's in the shower. All he wants is this attention. And Lila, come over here, baby. Come over here, baby. Lila. Lila, come on. Oh, Blue. Oh, Blue. Blue. He was the runt of his whole family. We could tell who he was because these two things don't connect. That's how we was able to tell. His paws are pretty big. So his paws, he's gonna be a little bit bigger than Belle. Belle, hey, love. She looks just like a panther. No, you're not gonna get no bones, no treats. You already had one. Yeah, this is him, his Blue. New addition to the family. I will keep you guys posted. Then when he gets older, probably go to the dog park later today. We're just gonna have some fun. Oh, Blue. Blue. So little. So pretty, huh? Look at them eyes. Probably within like 1 month or 3 weeks, his eyes will change. Right now they're pretty blue. They're pretty. And then Bella, he should be the same size as Bella within 4 months. So yeah, he's Bella. Lila. Come on, Lila. Come on, baby. Belle, where are you? Belle, pop your head around the corner. Come on, lover. Come on, Belle. Where are you, Belle? Come here, Belle. Belle. Bella. Baby Belle. Where are you? Right there. Hey, what are you doing? What are you doing, pretty? Hey, love. She just sees the phone like, what the fuck, it's not you. Yep. You'll be sleeping a lot. It's his leash, huh, Blue? His leash is up there with the girls.